Hey, this is Aiden with Workman Firearms. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to disassemble and reassemble the Sig P322. Super simple. It's going to be a very quick video today, but I'm going to break it down step by step so it's very easy to understand. Let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do before we work on this firearm is clear it. Pick up that firearm and remove the source ammunition. From here, we're going to lock that slide to the rear. If your weapon's on safe, make sure you put it on to fire. Lock it to the rear by pressing up on that slide catch lever while riding the slide to the rear. Just like so. From here, we're going to physically and visually inspect that chamber, inspect that magazine well. One last time, physically and visually inspect that chamber. Alright, your firearm's clear. Pressing that trigger. Now what we're going to do is we're going to rotate that takedown lever to the 11 o'clock position. Now from here, grab the rear of that slide. You're going to pull out and away from you. Just like so. From here, your firearm is going to break down into two separate components. And this is as far as you want to kind of break it down for a field strip. From here, you can do proper maintenance on it by cleaning it. If there's issues with the firearm or you need to change out parts, this is basically where you need to be. Now to put it back together, pretty simple. We're just going to go in the reverse order. Pick up the slide in the firearm, and you're going to want to make sure that the takedown lever is not at the 12 o'clock position. It's faced all the way to the left that it can go to that 11 o'clock position. Put that barrel back on the slide. From here, grab the top of that slide, pull it as far as you can to the rear, and then put it back in the slide grooves, just like that. Now, you're going to want to engage that takedown lever. From here, we're going to perform a function check. What we're going to want to do is rock that slide once, press in that trigger. While you press in the trigger, hold it to the rear while you rock the slide a second time. Now you're going to slowly release, listening for the reset. Alright, we just heard that reset. That means that you put this firearm back together correctly. Thank you so much. It was a super simple video. It was very easy to break down. I believe the P322 is a phenomenal gun and it's a phenomenal training tool as well. Now, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And there's much more videos about the P322 to come. Thank you.